In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in ClickUp. If you've decided a workspace is no longer needed, maybe it was a test space, a completed client project, or a duplicate, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and confidently. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this from the browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in with the account that actually owns or administers the workspace you want to delete. If you use multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Next, click your profile. You'll usually find your profile photo or initials near the lower left corner of the interface. This opens a menu that gives you access to your personal and workspace controls. From there, click Settings. This takes you into the area where you can adjust account preferences and manage workspace-related options. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, look for labels that mention account organization or workspace management to guide you. Now, click Workspace. In this section, you'll see details about your current workspace, and if you belong to more than one, you may see a list to choose from. This is a good moment to slow down and double-check the workspace name, since deletion is permanent and affects everything inside it, including tasks, docs, views, and automations tied to that workspace. Here, click on the workspace you want to delete. Verify you've selected the correct one by reviewing its name and any identifiers that help you differentiate it from others. It's a smart idea to quickly confirm with any teammates that nothing critical remains in this space. Now click Delete Workspace. You may see a warning or confirmation prompt from ClickUp. That's normal. The platform wants to ensure you truly intend to remove the workspace. Remember, deleting a workspace is designed to be irreversible, so only proceed when you're completely certain. If there's anything you might need later, consider saving copies or moving items to another workspace first. That's it. By opening your ClickUp account, clicking your profile, going to Settings, selecting Workspace, choosing the right workspace, and then clicking Delete Workspace, you've completed the process. Take a final moment to confirm everything looks right in your remaining workspaces. If you manage multiple teams or clients, keeping clear names and organized structures will help prevent accidental deletions in the future. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to clean up old or unused spaces in ClickUp.